We have kids who have specialized behavior plans, individual education plans, and the mistake we often make is we feel that they can never learn how to follow expectations. So we allow them to get away with it because we say it's part of their disability. And if they get suspended, my gosh, or something happens, I'm going to have a meeting. I don't want to do that. I don't want to go through that whole thing. But we really are doing them a disservice. What we need to be able to teach our staff is a child who has a true attentional disability, not one that somebody bought because they wanted services, because certainly that's for sale, but a true attentional chemical imbalance in the brain, if you will. It's going to take them longer, and it's going to take even more repetitive. So all we need to tell our staff is, look, all you have to say to the kids is, hey, slow down, or go ahead and get to class so you're not late, and walk away from them. You don't have to get into an argument with them. If the child says something under their breath, you've still done your job. Let me know, and I will have words with the child. But it doesn't mean you don't enforce the rule. You ever gotten the finger, but you didn't see it? You ever walk down the hall and you say to a kid, hey, get to class so you're not late, and you turn around and you're like, ooh, okay, all right, shake it off, I got it. But as long as I told that kid, get to class so you're not late, I did my job. And that's all you're expected to do. And then we continue to work with that kid through special education. That's why special education IEP meetings should have general ed staff attending them. So we share with general ed staff, here's the best way to work with this kid. We're working with them as a tier 2. What you can do is use this language to enforce that and continue to enforce that. Don't let it go. Don't get into a power struggle with the kid. But we can help you to enforce those rules and get those kids to understand. Because here's the thing, even our kids who are in trauma or have family difficulties or have emotional, social emotional types of things they're battling with, or ADHD or processing, whatever it might be, if they ever get pulled over down the road, they can't pull out their IEP. It's not going to fly. And that's my biggest concern. I've seen too many of my students, my own students, who have gotten themselves locked up later on because all of a sudden somebody said no. And consequences for them is just as important for consequences of every child. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.